life. This stanza also, the poet uses the literary devices. Let us see. So in this line, first line, so let the way wind up the hill or down. And O air rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. So in these two lines, the poet uses the literary device called oxymoron. I already told you oxymoron. What is oxymoron? Oxymoron means it is a contradictory things. Two contradictory things are talking about. Two contrary things, that is opposite words. For example, here in this line you see hill or down. Hill means it is upper, down means it is a lower. That means here he is talking about the contradictory things, so that here the poet uses oxymoron. And then in the second line here also, rough or smooth. Rough or smooth. So rough is a very rough. Then smooth means very soft things. Here also he uses the same literary device called oxymoron. Rough or smooth. Two contradictory things are talking about. Then in this third line, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. In this line, the poet uses alliteration. What is meant by alliteration? Alliteration means the first letter of the words in one sentence are same. For example, see, still seeking sought. You see here, still it starts with S. Then seeking start first letter S. Then sought here first letter S. So what is alliteration? The first letter of the words are same. So if we use in one sentence the similar letter, for example here still S, here still S, seeking S, sought S. So that in this line, this particular three words, still, seeking, sought. So here the poet uses the literary device called alliteration. Next we are going to see the rhyming scheme and rhyming words of this poem. So how the poet used rhyming scheme and what are the rhyming words in this poem the poet uses, that we are going to see here. Okay, you see here. First, the rhyming words. What is mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words means we have to see the last word of the every line of the poem. The last word of the every line of the poem we have to see. So you see in the first line, last word is ear. In the second line, last word is soul. The third line, last word is goal. And the fourth line, the final word is called disappear. See, so rhyming words means the sounds of the words are similar. That is called rhyming words. Okay, the ending word, the last words sound will be similar, same sound, so that it is called rhyming words. Okay, so see here from and here ear and disappear. See this first line's last word ear, then fourth line's last word disappear. For example, ear disappear. So it has the same sound, ear disappear. Then the third line, you see is the second line, soul, goal. So somewhat it is same in what the sound, same sound. So that here soul, goal. So here what are the rhyming words in this first four line? Ear, disappear, then soul, goal. So in the four lines, four rhyming words are there. For example, here ear, disappear. These two are rhyming word. Then here in second and third line, soul, goal. So these two are same sound, so that these two are rhyming words. Here also, see, in the dim past, nor holding back in fear. See the last word, fear. From what the future wails, but with the whole. Here, whole. And happy heart that pays its toll. Toll. To youth and age and travels on with cheer. Cheer. Here also you see, fear, cheer. Fear, cheer. These two are rhyming words. Then here, so here what we have to keep in our mind, the first line and fourth line has same sound. Then second and third line has same sound. So that here in the first stanza, here, year and disappear, soul, goal. Here in that next four lines, fear, cheer are the same sound. So these two are rhyming words. Here, whole, chol. So these two are same sound. Okay, same sound. So that these two are whole, chol or rhyming words. Now we are going to see rhyming scheme. The poet has given a different rhyming scheme for the poem. So how to start the rhyming scheme? For example, here year, last word. So here, so as per the alphabet, we have to give the first alphabet called A. So here it is not a same sound. Here it starts what a year. The second here it's soul. It is somewhat different sound. It is not same sound. So that here we have to give B. Next here you see goal, soul, goal. These two are similar sound. So that here also B. Then the fourth line disappear. So here year, disappear. These two are similar. Year, disappear. These two are similar sound. So again we have to write the same A. So that what is the rhyme scheme of this first four line is we have to say A, B, B, A. Definitely they will ask in the exam, they will give four lines and they will ask the question, what is the rhyming scheme of the given lines? You have to see by seeing the final word of the each line. So we have to see the similar sound. Okay, if it is similar sound, we have to write what likewise. A means here the same sound. Whenever you find the same sound, means here we have to write A. So here soul, goal. So A, B, B, A is a rhyming scheme. So the next four lines also the same thing only. Here see fear, cheer. So here also we have to write A. Here whole, chol. That means what? B, B. So this is the rhyming scheme of this poem in this life. Okay students, now we wind up this poem. So now I ask you, all the 10th standard students must buy the Way to Success guide for English subject. So it is available in Arna store and Manimegalai store in Ramanathapuram. It is available. You can go and buy them. If you buy that, it is easy to learn all the things. So now I thought the first poem, Life. Now it's a memory poem, I already told you. So you can start learning the memory lines and make use of your time and write it in a rough note or paper and practice it every day. Thank you very much, student.